All right, the name of the channel is called Behind the Lens with Blue Crisis Images, but I haven't taken behind the lens yet. Let's take care of that right now. All right, for those of you who are asking, if you were wondering what kind of gear I'm working with, I'll let you know. I don't think it's necessarily that important right now, but I could definitely give you a rundown of what I'm working with right now. For my main light, I got my 82 200. I think Flashpoint or Godox are the manufacturers of that. That's been a great device for me. It's helped me out through the years. It's a great tool. It has about 3 times the power of a regular flash. My brain is lost right now. I have a large 48-inch Easy Glow softbox, double diffuse, and I also have the reflective dish on the inside. I have my Nikon Z6 II Mark II. I love it. It's a mirrorless camera, a full frame, and it's been wonderful to me. Now, does the camera really matter? If you're in a controlled condition like this, you could do you could make whatever camera you have work as long as your conditions are controlled. This is really basic stuff you need. You don't really need nothing much more than this to get the work that you need, all right? One of the first things I like to do when I get on set is set color balance. Color balance is me making sure that the temperature of all the lights in here are matching. I have ambient light and I have my artificial light here, and I also have the lights from the studio, okay? So to help me with this, I got my handy dandy white balance gray card. This is gonna help me set proper color temperature here with all these lights in here. It's going to help me out big time when I'm matching colors. Now I'm shooting raw, but this is still gonna help me out. So what I want you to do is just hold this for me here, and gorgeous, perfect. So what this is going to do is help me set the skin tone colors just perfectly, all right? So let's get to work.